We're at Cadbury's World to check out what's in the shop for 2025. In the shop then, Ev?
Yeah, we've just come off the quest, haven't we?
Yeah, we've just done the tour. It was quite good actually,
Yeah,
didn't
it was really good.
We didn't vlog it this time, did we? But no, it's definitely improved.
Yeah, they've really done it up. It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really good. We're going to have here for the shop of chocolate, aren't we?
Yes.
We are. So fresh for 2025. Take us around, Ev. What can you find us?
You can get the chocolate cross dog. Oh, the little cow. That's adorable.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's really
$8.50.
cute. And they do two like little t-shirts as well.
Oh, for the ride. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Tampons.
We do believe, we'll ask the question, but you do get million discounts here as well, unless it's on sale.
Unless it's the factory stuff, yeah.
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 So that's pretty good though. It's pretty it's like $1,000 anywhere though, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if it's on sale, you don't get a discount.
No, but rubber.
Oh, Freddo rubber. Oh, little
Buy
pocket
two
money.
pocket money and get a third free week.
We call them pocket money gifts, don't we? Oh, Cadbury's,
Come
you've been
on.
copying us, you've been watching the
Yes.
vlogs, leave a like and
Definitely.
subscribe then. Freddo?
Little Freddo. He's got
cool,
really
isn't he?
long legs.
Yeah, it's
hasn't
cool.
he?
Look, he hasn't got that long legs on the chocolate bar,
No,
has
he
he?
hasn't. And I like the cap as well, to be fair.
That's pretty good, isn't it? Pretty cool. Magnet's pretty good.
£7 the cap
The
is.
key ring, £7.
£7.
That's alright, isn't it? £3 for the magnet.
Yeah, it's alright.
That's some cheap merch, isn't it, to be
Definitely
honest, compared
money.
to the other mailing attractions.
Yes.
Well, we got it. Oh, the monkey's back, isn't he?
He is back.
He wasn't here last time we were here, was he? But
No,
he's returned,
he
he is
wasn't.
back, the gorilla.
Boom, 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 boom.
I can do it. Oh, have you seen this? That milk chocolate football.
Yeah, handmade gifts.
That is massive. I don't know if you're able to eat all that.
We got these last time, the chocolate beans.
We did, and they were really nice,
They
actually.
were delicious.
Really nice. Bespoke chocolate shoe. Oh, I love you too, There's loads of stuff there, isn't there?
Yes.
Oh, a chocolate lolly. Oh, white chocolate one as well.
And we saw the girl making them in the factory.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's loads, isn't it? To be fair.
Chocolate
Wow. I don't think you'd see. I think it melts. What you'd see in there.
Yeah, I wouldn't attempt to put tea in there.
No, probably not. Give it a miss.
Yeah.
What have we got over here? Bourneville. Hot chocolates. Different. It's dark chocolate, isn't it, Bourneville?
Yeah.
And we did learn they partnered with Fries many years ago, didn't they?
Yeah, and that is a big. Oh god, that is a heavy table, right?
So I'm guessing that's why we see these brands and so Fries must own like them.
I assume so.
We don't Turkish delights. Fries.
30 bassets.
Oh, 30 baskets.
So 3 sweet bags for £2.70. That's not
That's not too bad. They're about 150 in Asda, I think.
Oh, they're more than that now, aren't they?
Probably, yeah. Easter eggs, it's had to be.
Oh.
That's a fancy one, isn't it? Oh, look at that one, Ev. Ultimate egg.
Dairy milk and white marble. That's the one I wanted last year.
Oh, well, that's the one we get. How much is it? It says $12.50. Let's see how much the normal shop is for that.
Yeah. Oh, orange.
Ooh, orange twirl. Think, oh, I like them.
Oh, an Easter egg hunt pack.
An Easter egg hunt pack.
22 hollow eggs in there. Oh, and you get them to go.
So you can make
do
your
a
own
hunting.
little Easter hunts.
Yeah, that's
Pretty
cool.
cool, isn't it? And the mini eggs are the white mini eggs as well. They are 75p each, or 10 for £6. I assume that's pretty good. Feels nice. Oh,
That's
that?
cool, isn't it? It's a cushion.
Oh, no. It's not round, it doesn't count.
Flake and mini egg. Green egg.
Oh.
Green egg, not mini.
Oh, this is nearly round though, isn't it? Ah. What's this stuff?
Oh, it's all like the old school looking stuff.
Oh, like the old advertisements, even.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him, eh?
Oh.
Good old bear.
Large waistcoat bear, £17.
Do you reckon he's part of Bear Club?
Yeah. You can be part of Bear Club if you like and subscribe.
More stuff here, eh? Oh, the parrots, I like the parrots. Roald Dahl?
Yeah, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. That's
Oh,
quite
yeah,
good,
he
isn't
did.
it?
He did like his chocolate, didn't he?
Yeah, he
Good
did.
old Charlie and Willy Wonka.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
I used to
Oh,
have one of them when I was a kid.
different colours.
Yeah.
See, I had the pen ones, but I've never had the pencil.
And then a Cadbury pen. I like that.
That's pretty good. Chocolate recipes, Ev?
Favourite chocolate recipe.
Yeah. I like the one where it just comes out the bar and goes in my mouth. That's the one I like.
Oh, little cocoa bean. They didn't have these last time.
No, oh, they've got names of Mr. Benjamin
And Mrs. Bernadette Beanie. Oh, look at them as a pair.
Oh,
Me and you.
Benjamin and Bernadette.
No, having Jake.
Bears. Is it the bear there?
Yeah, he's got a little heart on. Yeah.
I like the parrot. I can't remember that parrot from like any advertisements
No,
or
I
anything,
can't.
so I don't know what he was in, but
No, but he likes mini eggs.
seems to be everywhere, doesn't he? Cadbury World.
Yeah, yeah, we saw him outside the shop earlier.
Yeah, we did. He was meeting people. Their character greet, wasn't it? Oh, the bunny.
bunny.
They don't use it as much anymore, do they?
No, they don't. And then there's the mini bear.
Oh, so if you
11
want to be half a bear club, you just leave a subscribe and send them a like. More gorillas, though. 2 for 30 on the large character toys. That's quite
Oh
cool.
yeah, see a member of staff to find out how your meal works without a discount.
But last time it was just anything that wasn't on offer,
Yeah.
and it still applies.
So 3 for £5.10, 2 for each.
I
know
would say it's not bad.
big bars are £7.50 or 2 for 14.
I think it's not too bad. I don't really buy chocolate like big bars like that. So
No, normally.
I'm not too sure how much they are, to be honest. I only get them when they're on offer.
Yeah.
It's just
A
magnet.
magnet.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, you can get a like little bracelet thing.
Some buttons.
Mini egg lanyard.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, the little key ring.
Oh, little tiny ones.
Yeah.
That's good.
Bottle opener.
Oh, I can't see that. That's good, isn't it? And a patch. It's quite good actually. Couple of the prices there.
Really heavy.
They're about £3.50, aren't they, most of them? That's £5.50, that one is.
Really heavy.
Because it's a silver chocolate chunk, huh?
Yeah. I wouldn't attempt to bite that though.
No, I probably wouldn't, no.
No. Michelin.
Oh, you like
We
these,
like
don't you?
these, yeah.
$4.75, but you can get anything in there, can't you?
Literally anything. You don't know what you're going to get. But
It's a mystery. You don't know what you're going to get. Heroes, £3.50. 2 for £9 on milk tray. Oh, that's that one. I assume this one's a bit more.
£8 for this one.
It's a big one. But they've taken the best flavour out of the milk trays.
They're the best ones.
No, because they used to have the strawberry hearts or
Yeah,
strawberries.
they've replaced it with raspberry.
Raspberry cremes. Who wants? Let us know in the comments, guys. Are you a raspberry creme or a strawberry cream kind of person?
Neither. I don't like them.
You don't like any of them.
No.
Chocolate bunny, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, the caramel bunny. Take it easy with Cadbury's caramel. I think it's the best one. It's my favourite, Cadbury's.
Oh, we love a good
We love caramel, don't we?
Yeah, and eggs are nice.
Yeah, the eggs are nice as well, aren't they? 10 for £6. I don't know if you could mix and match them with the cream ones. I bet you could.
I assume so, yeah.
I bet it's the same price. Oh! Just had a celebrity walk past
Yeah.
you.
The bunny.
What do you get when you spend 30, yeah? Seen them, haven't we?
So you can get these 48 curly whirlies for £9.12.
It's not bad, is it?
60 little dairy milks for £11.40.
35p each.
You can get 8 of the massive giant ones for £56.
I don't know if you could get through 8 of the my giant ones.
No. £10.20 for the fudge.
For the fudge. We want the Freddos, don't we? It's the only reason we come to Cadbury World, isn't it? So we can buy this box of Freddos.
And that one.
We'll be picking up one of them each in just a moment, won't we?
Yes.
We'll hopefully get some of the 3 for £3.30. As you say, it's not too bad, is it?
No.
Might have to get a bag of caramels for on the way home.
You got snowballs for 2 for £1.50. Oh, that's not
Too bad, is it? And you do all this Caramax stuff on, don't you? I'm not too sure about it. I used to like Caramax back in the day.
Yeah, I much prefer that.
Oh, it's a nice little shop, isn't it? Fancy a flake, huh?
Yeah, that looks so cool, doesn't
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. At least you can get them for your ice creams at home. You didn't let us know in the comments again, guys. Have you ever done that with your flakes at home? Because I didn't think I ever have.
No, we've had the cones, haven't we, and got a flake, the
Yeah.
little flakes before.
I've
But
never had it in a bowl with a flake.
what do you think's better, a flake or a twirl?
Well, a twirl is like an enclosed flake, isn't it?
A twirl is a flake that's got its,
Shell on,
yeah,
chocolate shell,
yeah.
coat on. I don't know. I do prefer twirl.
I
They're
prefer
less
twirl.
messy, aren't they?
They're less messy,
Flakes go
yeah.
absolutely everywhere.
I agree.
But you remember the snowflakes?
Yeah, they were nice. They were white chocolate ones, weren't
They
they?
were absolutely ace.
Oh.
We've got our haul there, haven't you?
We have. We've gone for caramel Freddos and fudges.
Yeah, but for fudges this time, bit of a mix-up, wasn't it? It was a debate between that and Curly Wurlies.
Yes, but I'm getting distracted.
Oh, what have you seen here?
Chocolate coins.
Oh, chocolate coins.
Yeah.
And hot chocolate you can get. That's $3.50 for that. That's not bad, is
It's
it?
not bad.
Oh, you're distracted, Ev.
Yeah, and then there's more over here.
There's more things. What have we got over here then? Oh,
These
Puds
are
bag.
Puddings ones, 2 for $1.50.
That's not too bad, is it?
No.
Gold coins. We didn't have any at Christmas, did we?
Cherry drops, I haven't seen
Cherry
them for a
drops?
long time.
I don't think I've ever had them. No, I don't think I have.
I used to eat them on the
Oh, this is on offer, Ev. Happy birthday. If your name Scarlett, that's only £3. Happy birthday, Scarlett.
Thank you. Ooh,
That's
I
smart,
like
aren't
that. That's really nice.
That is quite nice, actually. They like
Purple
the,
studded tumbler, £10.
people like them. They're like Starbucksy things, aren't they? Oh,
Oh,
coaster. That's nice. Oh, look
it's
at
all like the
that.
old style.
That's cool, that is, isn't it?
Really cool. Then I like the little travel mugs.
We like this, don't we? That's good. Oh, nipply things there. Ooh. Another travel mug there, purple one. That's not too bad. And you can put your hot chocolate bumble in there as well.
Yeah.
Got your mini eggs there, haven't they? Ready for Easter. Absolutely loads there.
Oh, dairy milk and more. That looks
That
nice,
looks
doesn't
nice,
it?
doesn't it? Yeah. We've got all the different bottles. Boost, I like a Boost. 75p or 10 for £6. Not too bad. We're going into the queue then, Ev. We're going to pay up for our chocolate haul. I'm going to eat them all in the car on the way home. We got our stuff then, Ev.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Yeah, we're all chocolated up from the shop there, aren't we?
Yes.
That's not too bad as well. And the good thing is, you don't actually need a ticket to come into Cadbury World to go in the shop.
No, you don't.
No, so if you were passing by, you could nip in, get your deals, grab yourself a brew from the cafe.
And you might even bump into a character.
Wow, it's been a nice, lovely tour of the shop there, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
They've got so much chocolates, which they're going to, aren't they?
Yeah, it makes me very hungry.
Yeah, absolutely. I probably made you a hungry one, guys. But if you've liked this one, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon. Whoop, whoop.